Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I simplify life and business and help you become your highest and best self. Remember, not to be a good follower, be a good student. There are many books out there and many great lessons that we can learn, that we can apply to our life and live a full and happy life, an easier life. And one of the greatest books that's out there, if you haven't read it yet, especially for business, is Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. Now, he taught us many things in that book, but one of the core things he taught us was to think accurately. And my mentor, Bob Proctor, he did that. You know, he took his book and studied it, and he still does. He keeps reading it every single day. It's his Bible for business. So you can think your way into the things you want, and you can accomplish the things you want by the things you focus on. And the things that are easy to do are also easy not to do. And that's why in business, I was able to build a business to 7 figures before I was 30. I was able to go into companies and help them build multi-millions of dollars and establish all sorts of systems and processes. Why? Because I knew that there was easy things to do and I did them consistently. That's the key. Most people neglect the easy things. They neglect them and they think that they'll get to it at some point in time, but meanwhile, nothing happens. And neglect is a huge issue today. I mean, we're neglecting our health, and I think that we really need to take that into consideration because our outer world reflects what's going on in our inner world. If we're not putting good nutrients and vitamins and minerals and lots of fresh water into our body, guess what? We're not going to be able to function at our highest and best. And then the same thing goes with your mind. What are you putting into your mind? What are you reading? What are you studying? What are you thinking on a regular basis? If you're not putting in the best information, the best resources, the best ideas, you're not hanging around with the best people, that's going to cause a lot of problems. That'll cause a ripple that when you realize it, it'll be too late. So you need to do that, and you need to guard your mind as well. So guard it and shield it against anybody or anything that doesn't help you to become your highest and best self. Don't neglect the simple things. The simple things today are shutting off media, shutting off the news because it's probably useless information and a lot of it fake, and that way you can guard your mind, and that way you don't neglect your potential, you don't neglect what is possible for you. Because if you do neglect what's happening to you, then you're going to see that life is not just happening to you, but it's responding to you. You'll see the things coming back to you that are causing you to feel bad and not feel good about what you've accomplished or didn't accomplish. And that's a huge issue as well. If you don't think accurately, like Napoleon Hill said in his book, Think and Grow Rich, if you don't think accurately, then that is going to be the major issue in your life. You need to think accurately about everything you want. Your health, your well-being, your relationships, your career, your business. These are the things that if you focus your attention on and you think accurately and you don't neglect them and continually learn. I just mentioned one book, that's just one, but be a good student, don't be a good follower. We can easily be followers, but let's all be good students. Then we can become our highest and best selves. So do your best today to cure mental blindness disease by being your highest and best self and thinking differently and doing different things. And if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, you're missing out. Head over there and check out the other videos to help you become your highest and best self. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.